Okay, so same thing you need to solve for the 8-point DFT also. Okay, so all the remaining things are same like your 4-point DFT. Okay, so see here we solve the matrix, or we calculated the matrix 8 point for 8-point DFT total factor matrix. Okay, so this is a 8 by 8 matrix. Okay, so after that, to find out the 8-point DFT, whatever input sequence is given, that input sequence you have to write over here. And in that input sequence x of n दिया रहेगा, क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा, जिसका आपको DFT के फाइंड आउट करने को बोला। अगर वो इनपुट सीक्वेंस मान लो ऐसा ही है, सिर्फ उसमें दो एलिमेंट है 1 and 2. Okay, so you need to do the zero padding as I told you. So 1 and 2 will be as it is, other elements will be 0. How many elements will be there? Total 8 elements will be there. Okay, so like this zero padding you need to do. Okay, so after that you need to do this matrix multiplication to get the your DFT or output of the sequence. Okay, so that also how, as I told you in a previous lecture, for the first element, you need to take the first row, apply on this column, multiply the element wise and do the addition. That will give you the first element. Like that you have to do for all the rows. Total 8 rows are there. So you will get the answer. That will be your DFT, final DFT. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt to any other?
No, sir, clear.
Yeah. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. You can ask me at any time. At any time. Okay. Sorry. Get your doubt solved so that you will be feel comfortable in subject. Okay. So properties. So we start with the properties. See, as I told you in orientation, properties proof they will not ask in examination. Okay, but I will take that proof, but quite faster one. Okay, previously what I used to do, I took one by one properties and I solved it completely on Blackboard, and students take a notes of that. Okay, but from this time, this as this proof is not included. Okay, but it is possible in orientation. In university orientation also, they most of the time they say they will not ask the proof, but paper setter by mistake you can see, you can say, or anyhow they might be asked, so we have to be go through it. Okay, but we will not waste more time on that. Okay, ऐसा एक दो बार हुआ है कि ओरिएंटेशन में बोलने के बावजूद भी इस पे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना है, पेपर सेटर क्वेश्चन डाल देता है। घोष प्रशांत, क्या हुआ बेटा, लेक्चर देना है क्या मेरा? मुझे लगा आज इसको पढ़ाना है। ओके, सो फॉर प्रॉपर्टी, okay, so properties, see here properties are very simple. If you see, if x of n is there, that means x of n is your input sequence, then the DFT of that sequence will be denoted by x of k, or you can say like this: if x of n's input sequence is there, x of n, whatever DFT you are calculating, that will be denoted by the x of k. Okay, so x of k is the DFT of the input sequence, that is a x of n. Okay, and if you are taking IDFT, so x of k will be the input sequence and IDFT of that will be the x of n, means vice versa of the previous one. Okay, so here capital N is indicates n point DFT. Okay, so this is the basic thing which required for the all the properties. Okay, so the first property is linearity. Okay, so linearity property, see, if two sequences are there, x1 and x2, like this, two finite duration sequence are there, okay, and their DFT is a x1 x of 1 का DFT x of k है और x2 of n का DFT x2 of k है, okay. Then if you multiply by the arbitrary constant to this sequence, then the DFT will be the same as it is, like this. Okay, that means if you are taking the DFT of this one, a into x1 of n and b into x2 of n, so you will get the DFT a x1k plus b x2 of k. Okay, so in a proof what you need to do in a proof, first of all you have to write the definition of the DFT or formula of the DFT. Instead of definition, what you can say, formula of the DFT. Okay, so what is the formula of the DFT? Formula is something n is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e raised to power minus j 2 pi kn upon capital N. So this is a definition or the formula of the DFT. Now instead of x of n, what is the input sequence here? The property says input sequence a into x1 of n, b into x2 of n. So instead of x of n, you need to put this value. Okay. So for all the properties, whatever the value of x of n you are getting, you need to put over here in a formula. Okay, to get this side. Okay. So here you just need to put this formula in x1 of n. This is what this is a DFT, or you can say x of k. This is the definition of the DFT. X of k is equals to our formula of the DFT. Okay. Now here you can, instead of n, you can put this value. We will use this solution because it is difficult to write. It will take less most of the time. Okay. See here. Most of the time lecture will be wasted if I am writing all the things. Okay. So see here. In a formula, instead of x of n, you can write this x of n. Okay, so this is your x of n, this complete. Okay, so this thing you can write. Now you can solve this summation. So you can take this inside. A is arbitrary constant, you can take outside. So this will be n is equals to capital summation n is equals to 0 to capital N minus 1 x1 of n, and this one e raised to power minus j 2 pi kn upon capital N. Okay, then plus b x2 of n, again multiply with this e raised to power minus j 2 pi kn upon capital N. Okay, so this is what this summation, this entire thing is nothing but the what? It is a formula of DFT. So you can write this x1 of n को आप x1 of k लिख सकते हो, प्लस ये भी क्या है x2 of n, ये भी क्या है formula of the DFT. So you can write this as a x2 of n, you can write this as a x2 of k. So simple proof is there. So this is simply a x1 of k plus b x2 of k. कुछ डाउट है इस प्रूफ में? किसी को कुछ डाउट है? सिंपली आपको क्या करना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ x ऑफ n, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? ये इन्होंने एक स्टेप शॉर्ट किया है. इससे पहले आपको क्या लिखना है? फॉर्मूला. प्रूफ में सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है? डेफिनेशन ऑफ द DFT और द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द DFT. ओके, सो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? x of k is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e raised to power minus j 2 pi kn divided by capital N. Okay, Now instead of x of n in a formula, instead of x of n you have to write this x of n, क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चन के लिए क्या है, x of n है, ये है, उसको लो, यहाँ पे ये लिखा, उसके बाद ये सिंपली मैथमेटिकल एडजस्टमेंट है और आपको ये राइट हैंड